Simple sea rituals to transform your day. Have you ever wondered about adding some simple sea rituals to your trip to the water? Something to deepen the experience. And your ocean connection.
Here are one of my favorite simple sea rituals to try whenever you are in or by the ocean. First thing, you have to connect to the sea more deeply. Ask for guidance. Release something you no longer want to hold. Practice creative flow and peaceful impermanence. Gather seaweed, shells, sand, stones, feathers, sea glass, whatever you are instinctively drawn to. As you lay these out in the repetitive pattern of a mandala, become curious about the stories that you create with these.
What do you notice? Share your thoughts in the comment section.